Greetings, folks. My name is Michael Shanoski. I'm a web developer, web designer, and internet marketer in the Daytona Beach, Florida area. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to update your pages in Wordpress, a beginner's guide for small business clients. I like to develop websites in WordPress for these types of clients because it gives the client a lot of flexibility if they want to update their own website. They can make changes such as updating their prices, their specials, or if they want to change other types of information like updating a product or service. It is an easy learning curve for them to overcome because it is very close to a word processor. Once they learn how to log in, know where to go, and a couple other things which I'm going to show you, it's cake. This is kind of my selling point because not only does it save the client money, but also I can move on to doing other things that I like to do best, like designing, developing, and building SEO for websites. My pitch is mainly trying to get the client the best ROI possible for their dollar. If they're not spending money on making updates, they can invest that money in SEO, which is still money in my pocket, but also making the client money in the long run and in the end. So let's get started. So here we are at the Angelic Gardens homepage. Now what we're going to want to do first is we're going to check out massages here under services. See how it looks like. And say, oh, we found something here. Pricing for a half-hour massage is $49. We want to make that $50. So what we're going to want to do is scroll down to the login button right here. Alternatively, we can get to this section by going to the URL bar. We're going to get rid of that right there. Go /, go log in. We're back to this screen. So we're going to log in here, username and password. That's been assigned to you. And here we are in the back end at the dashboard. Now what I like to do is give clients editor settings so they don't see the appearance, where you can update code and so forth. It just makes it a lot simpler for them to do what they want to do, updates. So we got posts, media, links, pages, comments, their profile, and tools. So what we're going to be focused on here is pages. We're going to go with pages, all pages. We're going to find massages, services, massages right here. Click on it. Now here we are on the page. As you can see, this is where the editing is done in visual mode. There's two modes, visual and HTML. I encourage clients to use the visual mode. Now, as you can see, there's some of this code here. This has got to stay in and stay consistent. Not too hard to accomplish. All we're doing right now is finding the pricing. Half hour, we're going to change it to 50. We're going to scroll down to update. Let's update it. There we are. So this is much like a processor. Now we can view the page. Here it is. Scroll down, and there it is, updated to 50. Very good. Now if we want to go back, we can hit edit page. Takes us back here. Say, we don't like it at 50. Let's keep it at 49. Let's give the customer some value. All right, we hit update, and that will update your page. So some things to look at here, because it looks like there's a lot here, which there is. The thing mainly to be focused on, and only really to be focused on, is this section right here. It's much like a word processor, like I said. Bold, italics, links, so forth. And below here, don't worry about any of this. That's all for getting ranked in Google. for the most part, in Yahoo and Bing. So, what we're going to want to do is that when we're done that, let's go here to your username and hit log out. Make sure you log out. We're back here. We can go back to Angelic Gardens. We'll go to Services, Massages, and we're back at 49. So there you have it.